Hi all. Today, Infinix has launched a new smartphone series in India, which is the Note 12 series. One of the smartphones in this series is the Infinix Note 12 Turbo. Now, the company has teamed up with Marvel Studios to release the Doctor Strange edition of this smartphone. Now, the company has sent us a wonderful case of the Doctor Strange edition, and let's take a look at what this edition comprises of. Now let's unbox the Infinix Note 12 Turbo Doctor Strange edition. So this is the case that the company has provided for the special edition model. Now as you can see, there are lots of goodies in it. Let's take a look at each goodie one by one. So now this is the main device, the Infinix Note 12 Turbo smartphone. As you can see, it has a lot of customizations in the box itself. So we can expect more in the smartphone. Let us unbox this later. Now we have the special customized hard case and the screen guard. Now what's here? We have a keychain that resembles the eye of Doctor Strange. And this is quite funky and trendy as well. Now here we have a neck chain that has two sides. One is the Doctor Strange edition and one is the Infinix branding. Now here we have a pop-up for the smartphones that you can attach to the back of this Infinix device. And here we have a coaster. And last comes a t-shirt with the Doctor Strange branding. So these are the goodies that we have got along with the Infinix smartphone. Now let's take a look at each one of them and then get into the specifications of this smartphone. Now this is the case that the company has provided with the Infinix Doctor Strange edition of the Note 12 series. Now this case has a nice design and it is also quite protective, with the edges are also protective. Now here we have the Infinix Note 12 Turbo smartphone with us. Now let's take a look at the specifications and the other aspects of this smartphone. Now as we unbox, we have the smartphone and we have the usual stuff such as the adapter, the charging cable, which is a Type-C cable, and we have the SIM ejector. Also, we have some Doctor Strange stickers that you can use to customize the device or any other product of your choice. And we have the pass as well that usually Infinix bundles with the smartphones. And we have some paperwork. Now this is the Infinix Note 12 Turbo smartphone. Now as you can see, the device has a familiar design that we have seen in the past Infinix smartphones. However, the textured design is quite good. Now the phone is lightweight and the texture at the back gives it a good grip, and also it does not attract fingerprints except for this area near the camera. Now the Infinix logo is seen at the bottom, and we have the camera units, which is a 50 megapixel primary sensor and an AI lens and a 2 megapixel secondary sensor. Also, there is an LED flash that is prominently seen at the rear. Now we have the Type-C port, headphone jack and speaker grills at the bottom, and we have the SIM card tray at the left edge and the power button and the volume controls at the right edge. Now the power button is a little confusing as it's quite flat, and I often get confused with the volume rockers to unlock the smartphone. Now as you can see, there's a punch hole cutout at the top center for housing the selfie camera, which is a 16 megapixel sensor, and it also comes with screen flash for low light selfies. Now talking about the display, this smartphone has a 6.7 inch full HD display, and there is a 120Hz refresh rate as well that will come into effect when you are gaming or doing any streaming of videos. Now it has many preloaded apps, and the device runs on Android, which is topped with the Infinix XOS OS. As you can see, the Infinix smartphone that we are having here runs the MediaTek Helio G96 processor, and it comes with 8GB and 128GB storage. Now the 8GB of RAM can be expanded up to 3GB with the virtual RAM storage. Now apart from this, there's a 5000 mAh battery and it runs on the XOS version 10.6.0. The camera interface on the Infinix smartphone is quite simple and straightforward. Now you can see that there are many modes such as beauty mode, portrait mode, super night mode, AI camera, short video and much more. Now we will see the detailed camera review later. Thanks for watching the video of the unboxing of the special Doctor Strange edition of Infinix Note 12 Turbo series. Now for future updates of gadgets and also the full review of this smartphone, you can stay tuned to gizpod.com.